Yeah. I think we're good. I think we are good. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Your Makeup. Today's video is another glam. We're going to attempt another glam video. So, let us start. I am using a purple lilac color. I'm going to put it on the lids and in my crease. I have puffy, hooded eyes if you're new here. So I try to create looks that will work for my hooded eyes. All looks you see and you want to create, go ahead and do it. Just know that it will never look like the person who have a different eyes than you. If the person have round eyes and they don't have any puffiness or any hooded eyes, their look will look different than yours. But still rock your stuff. Rock it, have fun. Today's thankfulness thought that I wrote down was, I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my family. What is your I am, and what are you thankful for today? Before I put the second color, I will read the card for today. It says, wellness is the natural state of my body. Wellness is the natural state of my body. That is an inspirational word for today. Let wellness be a natural state of our bodies. Now I'm going to do, remember we're working on this little nice, fancy glam look. So I'm working on glam because my mind goes so many places when I try to do this thing. So we're gonna go glam, okay? Let's go glam. Ooh, this color is pretty. Oh my God. This color is just gorgeous. I don't know if I'm too dark, if I'm too light. I am not quite sure. Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh. This is a pretty green. And I put powder down just in case, because lately I just get real sparkly, you know. So I decided not today. Today we're not gonna look sparkly on my cheeks. Take a look. This is cute. We're going all glam. I'm trying this glam thing. Don't know how it's working. Let me know how the glam looks are coming. I'm going in the outer corner with a dark brown. So let me know how the glam makeup is looking on your end. I don't just do makeup, but I had Mona from Mona Bigot, a channel, and she gave me that idea. So I was like, okay, I will try it. I'll try stuff. I don't have a problem. You see what I'm doing? I'm putting a little darker brown right there, and I'm just curving it a little. I don't want it all the way in. So I'm being very, very precise and careful. So before I move, I will go to the other side. before I do anything extra. I don't want to get carried away because when I open the palette and I see colors, I just go. I just go. No full stop, just go. But I'm trying to do this little glam looks. So hopefully that'll help you play in your makeup. Each side. Okay, I want you to pay attention. You see this eye right here? When I look at you, you see how folded it is? And it looks like this eye. And it makes it look like this eye have more eyeshadow than this one. But if I stretch my eyes, you see they look the same. But because one have more fold in the hoodedness, it makes it look like one eye is uneven. If I look at you, it makes it look like this eye has the most. But if I go like this, you can see it is close and almost even with each other. But if I look at you, it gives you a different look. So if you have puffy hooded eyes that fold, still play with your makeup. I am back with, I'm laughing because I already sweat my menopause behind and damp all my face and waited so until I cool down to come here to you and show you the complete look. So this menopausal woman is going through it some days. So hang in there. Hang in there. Lord have mercy off with us menopause women. It just takes a whole thing of a whole menopause just have a whole life of its own, you know. Hang in there if you're going through this state. I am back with the third. It's not a soft glam. It's a glam holiday look. I hope I am making it easy with my tutorials so you can see how to create the look. Again, you can take whatever color you want off and add whatever color you want on. It's just a simple base. I'm showing you how to create a glam look. I am not snatched. I don't snatch myself to the point where you don't recognize me. I just like to be like the everyday makeup. Like we wake up in the morning, we put on makeup, boom, boom, and we gone. This is the face you see on a daily basis with makeup. It's not snatched and unrecognizable. So that's that. If my lashes are looking very sexy today, I am using Prime Lash. This is not a commercial or anything, but this is what I have on today. And I put it on and I was like, wow, this is beautiful. My foundation is the Maybelline Dream Mousse. And I gotta look it up with my glasses. My foundation is the Maybelline Mousse and it's dark caramel. Caramel dark is the shade. This is it right here. And the little palette I use is called XANADU. And it is by Saints Angel Sinners. And it is cute. Take a look. And I use this in the outer corner. This all over my eyes. And I could not resist this green. So that's the green you see on my lids and the inner corner. That's the green. It is the most beautiful little palette. I'm going to be using it again to do a couple more holiday glam look. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Life is important. It is short. I cannot begin to tell you how much and how short life is. Please, when I tell you that, I know you maybe have heard me say that many times, but it is short. In these times right now we are living in, please love on you plenty because tough times don't last. Tough people do. Hang in there for as long as you can, but seek help. Create a community. Have some people you can call upon when the days are just too tough. We all need one community. All of us. No man should ever struggle alone. No woman should ever struggle alone. We have to communicate with each other and create a network where we can reach out and talk to each other. Do not suffer in silence. Do not suffer in silence. It is a bad thing. It is bad. It makes your mind tell you to do crazy things. Don't suffer in silence. I love you all very much. This is my glam holiday look, and I will see you very, very shortly. Until then, keep rising. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself and shine as bright as you want to.